Okay, Assalamu alaikum, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I'm going to show you another designing tool just like SolidWorks, and it is an online tool, so you can use it on a browser website. You don't need to download or install a software. This is all on web-based designing model, and it's very fast and user-friendly. So what I want from you, I have created a document which is showing you how to set up this and how to access this software. The software is called OnShape, and now OnShape, how you will use it, what I want you to do is simply click on this link. It will take you to the OnShape website. The website looks like this. What I want from you is to click on education account, which is here in the bottom. Once you click on education account, the website will take you to another page where you can click on create free account. Okay, once you have the create free account, this page will take you to another page where you have to enter your user details. I will upload this guide in the Blackboard, inshallah, don't worry, so you can follow these guides step by step, but I'm going through it quickly to show you how you can create your account. So it's important, once you click your input your information, your email address, just click on create education account. You can use your Qatar University email or your personal email as you decide. Okay, after that you can use here the step 2 is going to ask you about your university, which is Qatar University, and everything else. Next, it will send you an email in the email which you entered for confirmation. And then after you have confirmation from your email, you can simply click on activate your account. This activate your account button will be appearing in your email. This will take you to another website page where it will ask you to create a password for your account. So remember to your email and the password, very important, because you will use the same and all your CAD files or design or part files will be inside this one. Okay, once it's done, it is activated and it will take you to a browser screen. Okay, it will take you to a web browser. The web browser will have the OnShape program at the background. Can you see this? In the background, I have the OnShape program. It's also running in my browser right now. I will show you here. And this is just a browser, so I have opened it in Chrome. And in my Chrome, I have the program. So it's no installation. That's the good thing. The first time you will open the OnShape program, guys, this is very important. I want you to set your default units, and once you set the default units, you can go to the second option, which is called mouse control. Now here is the beauty. You can set your mouse controls as you like, but you can also choose here a preset options. It allows you to choose the same mouse options as SolidWorks, so you don't need to learn the new items. It can also set you the mouse options like AutoCAD and many other softwares. So choose SolidWorks since you're already used to it. Okay, once you choose SolidWorks, the mouse settings will be the same as the mouse settings will be the same as the SolidWorks program. Next, you have to put your profile name. So here, make sure you put your correct profile name so I can catch it, or if you want to use alias, up to you. And then later on, it will just check your browser that it is good enough for running the software or not. Usually it gives you problem if you're running another type of browser, but with Chrome it did not give me any problem. So once I click OK, you click done, you will be in the OnShape program, and this will be within your browser. Remember, it is not a program which is installed on your computer, so you can use it from any platform, Mac, Windows, or anywhere. So once you are in the OnShape program, it is simply almost the same. If you remember, when we started SolidWorks, I told you all the 3D modeling softwares are following the same tools. It has a design tree, it has features on the top, in the middle it has the plane and the area where you will model. Okay, so it's the same story with this program. So the first screen you see, you have to click on create. So here you can start 3D modeling. You can click on create button, which is a blue button here, and then you simply click on document. Okay, they call it document. Any part file you make, we call it document. So create and click on document, and then it will ask you enter document name. In this case I put car body 1 and click OK. And then simply you can use the same tools as given here to make a simple car model. Now how to make this one, I'll show you a demonstration of this right now. Okay, in your OnShape software, what you have to do is simply click on create button on the top and click on document. Here we call document as a path. Okay, so click document. Here you can give a name to this document. So in this case, let's give me a toy box example and just click OK. The program will take some time and load you to the space where you can start the modeling. Okay, so it is still, remember, in your browser. So all is it doing is just loading the options. That's it. So once the options are loaded, you go to the program. You will go to the program itself, and it is the, if you can notice guys, it is the same as SolidWorks. You can see here it has the front plane, it has the top plane, it has the right plane, and on my left side I have all the features design tree similar to SolidWorks. And what are the features name here on the top? It is extrude, revolve, same as SolidWorks, sweep, loft, I have thicken, I have fillet, chamfer. And guys, it's the same set of features. Usually sometimes there are more, sometimes there are less, but you can find your way around. So let's try to model a simple box. Here you can change the views. So I will choose a front plane. Click on the front plane guys and click on sketch option here. So once you click on sketch, so in SolidWorks the sketch used to come in front of you directly, but in this case it did not came. So I will just simply click on front button here, and I can see my front plane here. So here, if you can see, the similar sketch tools came in. I can choose corner rectangle or center rectangle. So let me choose center rectangle. I'll choose the origin and start to move my mouse to make a simple box. You can see the units are also coming along with this box. So that's a good software. Some things in this are really good. And then you can simply change the values by pressing or using the dimension option here on the top also. So I have a dimension option, click on this and click on the line and maybe make a simple box 100, and here you can make on the right side maybe 100 by 50, enter, and it's 100 by 50. So once you are happy with your sketch, you can click on this green arrow. It is similar options as SolidWorks until now. So I have my sketch one here on the design tree, and if I want to see the isometric view, I will just drag my scroller button just like SolidWorks, or you can choose this to choose the isometric view. Now at this point I don't want to see my other planes, so I can just simply hide my top plane, hide my front plane, hide my right plane. Now I have only simply one sketch. Now go to the first option, which is extrude on the top here. So click on extrude and it will ask you which sketch which you want to extrude. So select this sketch, and then here I have different options. How do I want to extrude? Symmetrical, up to next. So if I choose symmetrical, it will do 50% on this side, 50% on that side. Let me give a depth of 100 also, since we are making a toy box. And that's it. If you are happy, just click OK. So here I have created from the sketch a 3D box. Let's try to explore some more option here, how I can build another object after making the first one. So let's see if it is similar to SolidWorks or not. So what I will do is I want to sketch one tire here. So can I do it? Or by making two circles, I will choose this face and I will choose the sketch option on the top here. Here it allows me to make a sketch. So let's choose a circle and see if we can make a sketch here. Oh yes, we can. Okay, I'll just make a tire here and I'll just make another tire here. Good. So click OK, and then simply choose again extrude option. This time let me extrude in blind, so it asks me to select the sketch. So I'll choose this sketch, I'll choose this sketch. So let me clear it all. I can choose from here also sketch 2, and it choose the two circles. and let me choose 10 millimeters this time and click OK. I have this done as well. Good. And let's choose another option. Let's try another option now. Here you can see I have shell. What is shell? It creates a hollowness inside your object and removes the material from inside. So it says faces to remove. If I click on this face, you can see the center material is removed. How much you want to remove? Maybe 2 millimeters from the side, and then just click OK. So guys, so far we are following the similar options as SolidWorks. How to cut a material inside, you have maybe options here to make a hole wizard, and you can use the same extrude option to remove the material. In addition, if you are not sure what tool or where to find a certain tool, you can use the search option. For example, if I want a pattern option, I can find it by writing it here. And maybe I want to create a hole, so there is a hole wizard also. Fillet, we also have this. So we have a plane option also. So guys, usually the command names are similar to what you have in SolidWorks, which you can use simply to build this object or any object of your interest. Okay, so I want you to explore on your own this option, this software called OnShape, and it is web-based software. I'll repeat. Another good feature of this software, so once I'm happy with this, it is just saving as you're going. So this is the good part. If you also want to create assemblies, you can go to assembly option here and then create any assembly as you like. So it will take you to the assembly mode, and you can join any parts which you have already created in the part mode, which is here. So if you just click on insert, it will give you options which part you want to bring. So if you can bring this part. Once I bring this part, I can keep it here. It is just following the same as SolidWorks. Check this green option. And now to join different various parts, you also have an option called mate connector. There is a certain different types of mates also given here. And in the same way, there is also patterning option given for assembly. You have advanced mechanical mates also, which are given here. And I want you to explore them on your own and use this software to benefit your learning. And inshallah, I don't want you to limit yourself to SolidWorks only. There's many other softwares available, and this is only two of them. So one is SolidWorks, the other is OnShape. There's many other also available, guys, and you can use this one. Is the good thing is, if one of the guy in your team has struggling with the SolidWorks, he can use OnShape to create the part and share it with the rest of the team. Yes. Now let me come to the last part of this session today, is how to save your file. Now once you have created any object that you have, how to save your file? It is also very simple in this case. You have to click on this right corner. Here on the right corner, you can say part. On the left at the bottom here, it will say Part Studio. Just right click here and click on export option. There will be button called export. Okay, once you click on export, you have an option to put the file name. So put the file name here. Okay, then choose the format. You can choose to save this part in any format. If you choose SolidWorks, it will be sharing with your team also, so it's also good. So choose SolidWorks and then click the option to download. You can also create a link to download the file. So here you can choose download. This part will be automatically downloaded in your browser, and it will have the same extension as SolidWorks part. Okay.